Fix Yanhua ACDP2 Android USB connection issue fast with this simple trick. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's your favorite spot for everything automobile diagnostics, and we've got an exciting topic to dive into today. But before we get started, I've got a quick reminder for you all. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. It means the world to me and helps keep this channel going. Also, turn on that notification bell so you never miss an update. Trust me, you don't want to miss what's coming next. Now, let's jump right into today's problem-solving session. Are you having trouble connecting your Android phone to the Yanhua Mini ACDP2 host via USB? You're not alone. This is a pretty common issue, but don't worry, I've got the perfect solution for you. Before we dive into the steps, a little disclaimer. This video is for educational and informational purposes only. Everything you'll see here, from demos to tips, is aimed at helping vehicle technicians, learners, and all those interested in automobile diagnostics. I follow fair use guidelines with the images and clips I use, and no copyrighted material is for commercial use. And remember, always follow the manufacturer's instructions and local regulations when working on any vehicle. Okay, I need a little favor from you. Most of you watch but forget to subscribe. It's super quick, and it helps me keep the channel running. So if you find this video useful, please hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to share it. Let's set a little challenge. Can we hit 1,000 likes and 100 comments in the first 24 hours? If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, leave a comment, and if you really want to support the channel, consider using the Super Thanks option. Now let's get into it. How to fix the Yanhua ACDP2 Android USB connection issue. Now, I know many of you have faced that frustrating issue where your Android phone just won't connect to the Yanhua Mini ACDP2 via USB. It can be super annoying, especially when you've got things to do, right? But don't stress, the fix is super easy, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step. You ready? Let's go. The solution: enabling OTG on your Android phone. The main culprit here is the OTG, on-the-go, function on your Android phone. This setting allows your phone to communicate with USB devices, like the Yanhua Mini ACDP2, so if OTG is turned off, your connection will fail. But don't worry, we can fix this in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. 1. Open your phone settings, grab your Android phone, and go ahead and tap on the settings icon to start the process. 2. Search for OTG connection. Once you're in the settings, simply tap the search bar at the top and type in OTG. You should see an option called OTG connection pop up. 3. Enable OTG. Tap on the OTG connection option. You'll see a message that says, automatically turns off if not used for 10 minutes. If it's switched off, go ahead and turn on the OTG switch. It's that simple. 4. Return to the Mini ACDP app. Once you've turned on the OTG switch, go back to your Mini ACDP app. Now, a USB connection prompt should pop up on your screen. 5. Click Close and then OK. When you see the pop-up window, click Close and then click OK. Your Android phone should now be successfully connected to your Yanhua ACDP2. That's it. You just fixed the Android USB connection issue, and your Yanhua Mini ACDP2 is good to go. You can now continue with your diagnostics without any more frustrating connection failures. Simple, right? What's next? Huge thanks to all of my regular viewers and subscribers. You guys rock. Your support means everything to me. If you're watching this and haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button now. It's totally free for you, and it keeps the content flowing. Plus, it helps the channel grow, so I can keep making helpful videos like this one. Let's smash that goal of 1,000 likes and 100 comments in the first 24 hours. I know we can do it. And don't forget, if this video helped you out, drop a like, leave a comment with your thoughts, and if you really love our content, consider giving a super thanks to support the channel even more. Final thoughts. I'd love to hear what you all think about this solution. Have you had issues with the Yanhua ACDP2 Android USB connection before? If so, did this fix work for you? Or do you have a different trick that worked for you? Let me know in the comments. I always love hearing from you. Before we wrap up, I want to hear your opinion on this fix. Was it easy? Were you able to connect your Android phone without any issues? Drop your thoughts below, and don't forget to share this video with anyone who might be having the same problem. Thanks again for sticking with me till the end. Your support keeps this channel alive and helps me keep bringing you useful content. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more awesome videos. Until next time, happy diagnosing.